took advantage of that. But it's like, how do I help support that growth and make everybody? Because if I can make people better around me, then my
Mhm.
life becomes easier.
Right.
The customers have a better experience, and life goes on. So it's kind of always been that way, Steve. It's always been that world of how do we know? And it just so happens that the blue collar world, the construction, the manufacturing, the building things, the smell of burning steel, um,
It's the best.
the it is the best smell. It's the best smell in the world. Going into the Ford shop, working at the Ford
Yeah.
shop, going into a foundry, um, it is fantastic being able to see sparks, see things, look at the cloud of dust that's in a weld shop, and go, there's something people are actually building something and
Yep.
going forward and doing something with. And if I can support those owners, or when I support those owners or those leaders to be better, those people have jobs. Those people can take care of their families. Those people can also then not worry about their leaders doing something stupid to them and say, oh,
Right.
yeah, we're closing up shop tomorrow. And now you've got 10, 15, 20 families that are now displaced and going forward.
Mhm.
So